There we go. Look at that. Big old Alaskan red king crab.
There she is.
Oh, there's a couple, yeah. Oh, and a starfish. Nice. There you go. Oh, look at that. Some pretty. Yeah, those are nice sized ones. Oh, look at the size of that. Oh, there we go. Look at that. Big old Alaskan red king crab. Thing weighs about what, 2-3 pounds? Look at that big old king crab. Looks like another male. Another gorgeous crab. He's got to tuck his legs to get inside that cooler. Those are big crabs.
Especially that one. That one's.
That's a chunky crab.